Hi guys, once again welcome to our channel Getfully. Today we are unboxing the everyday heater, room heater, and I got it from Flipkart. And this is the packing. I just already unboxed it when I got it because I have to see that the product is inside or not. Because this is packing, good packing, and let me take this out. And this is the packing. Here the everyday uh, heater, nice protection for the heater. Wow, little tough to get it out. And oh god, this is the protection for heater, and we can see that a bigger plug. This is not the normal plug. This is the bigger one, and let me unbox it. Finally, I just unboxed it. We can see this is the catalog, and this is warranty card. Okay, this there are two things, and this is the heater, and we have one. There are two regulators, two adjust controls. We have to just turn it over, and here this is the heat out. This is a machine, complete machine. You can open this one, adjust the height of this heater like this. Yeah, this is heater, and outside there is you can see inside there is a fan here too. So we will get three sides, this direction and both this direction. Total three sides we will get the heat. And here they provided some circuit diagram here. Yeah, that's nothing much. Actually, this is 2000 watt 2000 watt device. I mean heater. And here some important safeguards and all given in the catalog, and some handle setting knobs, parts, and how to use. Yeah, switch on the room heater by keeping it in upright position. Keep the thermostat to the maximum position. Once desired room temperature is reached, rotate the thermostat knob back till the unit is cut off. I think this one is the thermostat knob, and the room heater will be automatically cut in and cut out to maintain this desired temperature. So this is automatic censored machine, and maintenance and cleaning is provided here. And the technical specification is here, that model number HC2000. Power consumption is first setting 1000 watts and second setting 2000 watts. Voltage is 230 volt AC. Frequency is 50 hertz, and plug is 16 amps 3-pin plug. That's I told you already that please note this. This one is not the normal plug. This is a bigger one, and we should have that bigger socket, then only you can work it. And yeah, that's it. This nothing much. That's yeah, build quality is good. Okay. That from Flipkart I found that 4.2 rating. Nearly 1000 or 1500 people and all bought this. Yeah, okay, fine product, but this is a simple device. I think the build quality was okay. And that's it. Nothing much to explain in this. Thank you. Thanks again. Please comment, like, and finally subscribe our channel. We will back with a new device. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this.